Most students only reflect when something goes wrong, a bad grade, a missed deadline, or burnout. But small, regular check-ins can help you spot what's working or not working long before it turns into a problem. You don't need long journal entries or deep introspection, which can feel like another task. This lecture will show you how to stay on track, aware, and clear without falling into guilt. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to use quick check-ins to understand your study patterns, reflect without overthinking or turning it into a guilt trip, make small adjustments to stay consistent, track what's helping you learn, not just what you're doing. Why reflect at all? It's easy to get caught up in doing the work without pausing to see if it's actually helping. This is where many students get stuck. They adhere to routines that feel productive, but are not moving them forward. Taking a moment to reflect gives you the space to ask yourself, is this still working for me? It's not about tracking everything perfectly or chasing flawless performance. It's about staying connected to what's helping you make progress and letting go of what's not. Keep it simple and repeatable. The best reflection habits aren't deep or complicated. They're brief, honest, and easy to stick to, because if it feels like a chore, you won't keep doing it. Simplicity makes it less overwhelming and more likely to become part of your routine. Try this quick weekly check-in, just 2 to 5 minutes. What went well this week? What felt off or harder than it should? What would I like to try differently next week? You can write it down, say it out loud, or even think it through. The goal is to pause and notice, without turning it into another task on your to-do list. Track what matters. Many students measure progress by hours studied or ticking off tasks, but that doesn't always tell the whole story. A better habit is to ask yourself, what helped me learn this week? Start paying attention to moments like, when did I feel truly focused and things click? Which study blocks felt effective and stuck with me? What moments made me feel proud or left me frustrated? This is the kind of insight that helps you adjust and learn smarter, not just harder. Make it guilt-free. Reflection can easily slip into self-criticism. I didn't do enough. I should have worked harder. When reflection feels like blame, you start dreading it or skipping it altogether. A better approach is to stay curious, not harsh. Ask yourself, what got in the way this week, instead of, why am I like this? Focus on what made things harder and how you can make it easier next time. Reflection isn't about scolding yourself. It's about understanding what's going on, so you can adjust and move forward.